evening, everyone. Our special guests, beautiful artists, our motivational speaker, inspirational personalities, media partners, and all the viewers. Hope all of you are doing well, safe and sound in this pandemic situation. As we know, we all are here for a very special exhibition, Fate. What is fate? It's a destiny. Many of us believe in destiny, many of us don't believe. But destiny is there. So it is not just the exhibition which explains you the destiny of an artist. What we all see is the artist, their artwork, their way of expressing themselves, their style of painting. But we never saw their journey. We never saw what is behind that canvas, how they are achieving their dreams, how they are chasing, and how they are facing all the challenges. In today's exhibition, we will try to cover up that journey to their dreams, journey to their artistic goal, the platforms, the challenges, whatever they are facing. And the challenges can be in any form, their dreams. Now, I would like to invite Varsha Saju Nair, a very young, talented artist.
Yes, very good evening to everyone. So, I'll start off with my journey. So, I am Varsha Nair, and first of all, I would like to thank the founders of Fununat, Shiba ma'am and Farah ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to participate along with all of you. I am an Indian student studying in Delhi Private School, Sharjah, in 11th grade. I started sketching at a very young age, and I had even gone to an institution for classes. But eventually I kind of broke it off because the instructor thought it best that I pursue dance instead of art. So at that point I stopped art, and I didn't really think I'd come back to it. But then I restarted my sketching and painting kind of unconsciously around mid of 2016. And my parents saw this and they supplied me with all the materials, with brushes and paints and canvases and all of that. And ever since then, I have been participating in exhibitions and live art sessions and all kinds of events and workshops to enhance my skill. So I would say that one of the biggest challenges I faced and I continue to face is to balance time between my education and my passion. And I won't lie, it gets very hard at times because balancing both is kind of difficult, especially when you're progressing through the grades. But I have been going on and I'm maintaining this flow, and the people that I really have to thank for that are my parents, because they have supported me so much and they have provided me with so much. And of course, all of you for pushing me forward and for your encouragement and love. And so, yeah, that's my journey. But more than journey, I'd say it's my beginning, because I still have a very long way to go. And I'm confident that I will go that way with all of you by my side. So that's about my journey.
All the very best, and this dedication and this, believe in yourself is very important to go.
Yeah.
That is the most important part which makes the person to move ahead, is the belief in their skill. Nothing is impossible. Impossible itself says I am possible. That is always the tagline which we should remember. All the very best. We will see your work now.
Yes. Okay, so this work is titled Exquisiteness, and the size is approximately 65 by 65. And this painting was created to raise awareness about the Black community. It depicts a very strong and bold woman who keeps her head high despite everything that's been thrown at her. And that's what I wanted to portray here. So we all know that there's been oppression going against the Black community for a long time. And this is my way of raising awareness. I can't really go out into the streets and scream. People would put me back into my house, so that's not possible. So this was the one way that I could express how I feel, the change that I want. So this is my way of showing that. So that's it about this work. This one is titled Conventionally Contemporary, and the size is approximately 75 by 55. This is actually a traditional Arabic wind tower, and it's a very common subject for several artists. So I thought, why not take a twist? And I took a traditional figure and added really dynamic colors to make it appear more modern and contemporary. So in this way, I have merged both like traditional and contemporary into one single work. And I've showed the actual hidden beauty of a traditional monument. Like if you're driving past it, like with a car, like through a car, or you're just looking outside your window and you see the building, not many people pay attention to it. I myself haven't really paid much attention to it until recently. And then like when I really looked into it, I saw the beauty that was in it. So I used my vision of its beauty and I put it into this painting.
It's a fusion of art.
Yes, it's like a fusion. This work is titled Courage and Faith, and the size is approximately 60 by 70. This work depicts a battle scene, and you can see that the soldier is holding a cross in his hand, which symbolizes how he is holding on to his faith, and how it's that faith and that courage he has at that moment that is getting him through this battle. And we know how there are soldiers in our country who fight for us, who fight for our freedom, and they go out into the battlefield, they sacrifice their own lives for us. And we never really think about what they go through at that particular moment of time, and how when they're in the battlefield, the enemy is coming at them and they're seeing their life flash before their eyes. That kind of fear, that kind of hopelessness is something that we can't imagine. So this painting shows how the soldier is praying, he's holding on to his faith so that he can make it back home to his family, to his friends. So this painting is all about how he has that faith and that courage to move on.
Thank you, Varsha. Beautiful concepts, beautiful artwork. Thank you. All the very best. As you said,